Introducing the Maupvit Shoe Cabinet with 2 flip drawers. This sleek, freestanding organizer is a must-have for any home. Its stylish washed gray finish complements various home styles, making it a perfect addition to your entryway, hallway, living room, or porch. This shoe cabinet not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your space, but also helps keep your home neat and tidy by saving valuable floor space. One of the standout features of this modern shoe cabinet is its space-saving flip drawers. These drawers are designed for easy access, allowing you to open and close them effortlessly. Unlike ordinary shoe racks, this narrow cabinet fits perfectly in tight spaces. It keeps your shoes dust-free and safe from pets and bugs. The innovative design ensures that your footwear is always organized and protected. Don't let its slim design fool you. This cabinet offers impressive storage capacity. With the ability to store up to 32 pairs of shoes, each drawer features 2 adjustable layers. You can customize the space to fit flats, mid-boots, or heels. The bottom shelf is perfect for slippers or even a sweeping robot. The top fence is ideal for potted plants, ornaments, or essentials like socks and keys, adding a practical touch to its elegant design. Safety and quality are paramount with the Maupvit Shoe Cabinet. It's built from high-quality MDF wood and supported by sturdy metal legs, ensuring stability and a high load-bearing capacity. The cabinet includes an anti-tipping device for added safety, protecting your children from accidents. The black metal handles are both elegant and functional, preventing scratches and injuries. Plus, with a 48-month warranty and excellent after-sales service, you can purchase with confidence. Transform your home with the Maupvit Shoe Cabinet today.